Welcome back to Yosemite Science. My name is Marty Anderson. I'm a naturalist with Yosemite Conservancy, and today we are talking about giant sequoias. Behind me is a young giant sequoia, or Sequoia dendron giganteum, which only grow in a 200-mile long and 15-mile wide stretch of the western Sierras, mostly between 5 to 7,000 feet in 75 isolated groves. This tree behind me right here was actually planted about 100 years ago, so this is a young sequoia. Sequoias reach their maximum height at about 1,000 years, and this one's only about 100 years old. Of the 6,500 species of plants and trees in California, about half of them rely on fire at some point in their life cycle, including giant sequoias. Giant sequoias, their cones can stay intact and closed up on the tree for a couple decades unless a gentle fire comes through and opens up the cones with the heat rising up into the trees. So this is the giant sequoia cone. It's about the size of a chicken's egg. And inside of the sequoia cone, there's about 200 of the little seeds. And these little seeds, all of the DNA of the tree is in that tiny little strip right in the middle. The two lighter brown wings off to the side are to help flutter down to the ground. So some of the largest living organisms in the world come from some of the smallest seeds. Only about one in every few million seeds will make it to a fully grown sequoia.